Welcome on board the AmaPrima, one of AmaWaterways European River Cruise Ships. We just took a cruise on board this beautiful ship through the Rhine and Moselle rivers, and today we're going to take an in-depth look of everything the ship has to offer. From the rooftop pool to the rest of the ship, let's go check out the AmaPrima. This video is brought to you by Level 8. Unfortunately for us, on our last cruise, our luggage showed up to our cabin looking like this. Yes, this is everyone's worst nightmare when your luggage falls apart and you're in the midst of travel. It even ruined a lot of the clothes that we had that were falling out of the bottom of the suitcase. Well, I can say with full confidence that we are done with every other luggage out there outside of level 8. The way that these seamlessly maneuver through the airport with the giant oversized trolley handlebar, the TSA approved locks, and the incredible organization pouches inside, this has become our favorite suitcase. And we've used the suitcase for over 2 years now, and it has held up perfectly. We love Level 8 so much that we just added 2 additional pieces to our luggage at home. So now Level 8 is the only luggage that you will see us traveling with. If you're interested in getting Level 8 for yourself, check out our affiliate link below. This is the luggage that will end all other luggage brands out there on the market. We're starting this tour up on the top deck at the very back of the ship. Now, at the very back of the ship here, you're going to find the smoking section. This is the only area of the ship where you can smoke on board. So if you are a smoker, keep that in mind. It will be up here on the top deck at the very back of the ship. We're going to take a walk down this very long deck, and you'll see there's lots of seating areas out here. The deck is designed so that you face outward and can see the absolutely beautiful views of wherever you may be finding yourself in Europe. There's also tables up here. They did a meal up here one day. We had a barbecue up on the upper deck, which was a really nice touch during our river cruise. There's several different games that you can play, like cornhole or bags right there. Now, this ship does fit 160 people and 51 crew member. So it is a much smaller ship, especially if you're used to ocean ships. You can see an oversized chessboard here. And then, of course, you do have a pool. This pool was open 24 hours and is heated. This is a really nice addition because not all river cruise ships have pools quite like this. So it was really nice to be able to take a refreshing dip, especially on a hot summer day. And we did have some hot days here on the Rhine and the Moselle rivers. Now, these stairs will take you down to the main level, which we'll get down to in just a few minutes, but there's a little bit more to see here on the upper deck. Now, this section of the deck was one of my favorites because this is incredibly comfortable furniture. You were able to sit here as we were sailing, enjoy the nice cool breeze, have a cup of coffee or a glass of wine, and really look at the beautiful scenery around you. As we head down this staircase at the very front of the ship, there's another lounge or seating area out here. You'll notice several tables and really comfortable chairs. This is another area that's just a great viewing spot, but I will say this is a great area to sit if you are going through locks. And no matter what river you find yourself on, you're going to go through locks and you get incredible views up here of that process, which is truly fascinating. That's something very unique about river cruising. As we walk inside here, this is the main lounge. So this is the area where you'll have your meetings. You'll find out about excursions. Some entertainment will happen in here. This also doubles as a restaurant. They've got snacks available, as you can see, throughout the day. So a number of different healthy snacks as well as some candy. And then they have a juice, water, and tea that is complimentary and available all day long. This also is an area where the Lark restaurant is. That is a fast to go food restaurant for lunch. So you could order things like a margarita pizza. And then, of course, you can get your included wine and beer at lunch up here or in the dining room. There's a full service bar and a full service coffee shop. Now, this coffee shop does have a wonderful espresso machine where you can get espresso, coffee, and tea complimentary included in your cruise fare 24 hours a day. Right across from the coffee shop is a boutique store. So if you do want to do a little bit of shopping, you can do that here on board. They had bags, scarves, jewelry, and then, of course, AmaWaterway merch. Coming out of that area, this is the main lobby. So you see the guest relations desk there on the right. And then down the steps, this is where you will go to get to your main dining room restaurant. The restaurant is quite small, but it does fit all guests on board the ship here. And again, you've got your included wine and beer with every meal. We loved the healthy selection of salads during lunch. And they also have a great carving station that's open during lunch with a number of different meat selections throughout the day. The food down here in the main dining room was delicious for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Coming back upstairs next to the elevator, up these steps, you'll find the desks for the cruise director and the hotel director. They're at these desks throughout your cruise and are available for any needs that you have. Down the hallway there, this is how you get to the fitness center. Now, the fitness center is well appointed with two workout bikes, a treadmill, and then a number of different weights and mats. This is a very impressive gym for this size of a river ship, and I will say, AmaWaterways Cruisers are active, so this gym was filled quite a bit. Right across from the gym is a public bathroom as well as two rooms for their spa. They do offer full service massages on board. And then tucked behind the gym is actually another restaurant. Now, during lunch every day, it's a complimentary Italian restaurant with a rotating menu. And then during dinner, every guest gets to attend a chef's table, which is a complimentary chef's table dinner at least once during your cruise. We got to try the food in here for both lunch and dinner. And again, this is another excellent food option here on board the AmaPrima. Now let's check out a couple of the stateroom selections here. And the first one we're going to look at is a Riverview cabin. Now this cabin does look out onto the river. It does have a smaller or more petite bathroom, but all the bathrooms here on the AmaPrima come with a beautifully appointed rainfall shower and upgraded bathroom amenities from your standard cruise. So they've got conditioner, body wash, and shampoo in all of these showers. Another room type that you'll find here is a twin balcony room with both a French balcony and a real standard balcony included in this room. This is one of the rooms that you're looking at now, and these rooms do have a much larger bathroom. But again, you're still going to have all of those same amenities with the beautiful rainfall shower, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. All staterooms come with a nice flat screen TV, a small working desk, and they all have a good amount of outlets on board. Definitely bring your converters, but there is US outlets, USB-C outlets, as well as European outlets. Well, that was the AmaPrima. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you been on a river cruise or have you considered going on Ama Waterways? We loved our time on board this ship on the Rhine and the Moselle. And if you're looking to take a cruise with Ama Waterways, please reach out to us. We're both travel agents. You can reach out to us at jjcruise.com, and we would be happy to make your dream vacation come true on board an Ama Waterways cruise. Thanks for watching.